We tend to make a lot of decisions in life, whether that's deciding what to wear for the day or considering whether or not you should subscribe to BTheCoder. Which you should. Basically, we kind of do the same thing in Python, and in order to make those decisions, we use something called if-else statements. Those if-else statements are basically deciding what the computer is going to go with based on what we're kind of given. So let's see how to do if-else statements. Now let's go over how to do these if statements. So the first thing that we need to do is, of course, create a variable. And if you haven't checked out my variables video, check it out up in the cards or in the description box down below. But yeah, that's the first thing you need to do. So let's create a variable and let's call it the weather. Say good weather is equal to, let's say, true. This is basically a Boolean variable, as you probably remember from that variable video. So we've now created our variable, and now we can go ahead and make our if-else statements. So let's put an if statement saying if there is a chance of good weather, then we'll go ahead and print out awesome. It should be a great day today. And that's kind of a message to y'all. Hope you're doing okay out there. Anyways, so yeah, if we go ahead and run this program with just this if statement right here, we can automatically see it pop up. Awesome, it should be a great day today, because that good weather variable was true. Now, let's say if we wanted to add another condition to this. So let's just say if there was bad weather instead. So obviously we could just add an else and then put a colon right there, and then it'll print out yikes, be careful out there. Or stay inside could work too, yeah. So there's our else statement. If there isn't any good weather, then it prints yikes, be careful out there. So let's go ahead and run this program again, and it's still the same thing. It's because this is true, it goes to the good weather statement, and then it'll print out awesome, it should be a great day today. But let's say if that good weather variable happened to be false. Where do you think it will go to? Yep, this statement right here. So if we go ahead and save and run this program, yeah, see? It'll say, yikes, be careful out there, because this good weather variable was false. So that's just like an examples of if statements by themselves, I guess I would say. Now let's take a look at an example where there are if statements that involve comparisons, which you will technically kind of see a lot of. So let's go ahead and do that.